How to fix Pandora playlist songs not deleting.
Hello everyone, welcome to our video tutorial. Today, we're going to help you solve a common issue with the Pandora application. What should you do if your Pandora playlist songs are not deleting? This could be frustrating, especially if you want to declutter your playlist. Don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's get started.
Ensure you're using the latest version of Pandora.
First things first, make sure you're using the latest version of the Pandora app. Often, app glitches can be fixed by updating to the newest version, as the developers frequently release updates to improve functionality and fix bugs. Steps to update the app. 1. Visit your device's App Store, Google Play Store for Android, Apple App Store for iOS. 2. Search for Pandora in the App Store. 3. If there's an Update button next to the app, click on it to update the app.
Clear app cache.
The next thing you can try is clearing the cache of your Pandora app. Sometimes, the app's temporary data can cause minor issues. Steps to clear cache. 1. Open the Settings app on your device. 2. Find the Apps or Applications Manager section. 3. Scroll down and tap on Pandora. 4. Tap Storage, then Clear Cache.
Deleting songs from the playlist.
After performing the above steps, let's try to delete the songs from your playlist once again. To delete songs from your playlist on Pandora, follow the below steps. 1. Open the Pandora app. 2. Navigate to My Collection. 3. Select the playlist containing the song you want to delete. 4. Find the song you want to remove and tap on the button next to it. 5. Tap on Remove from Playlist.
Contacting Pandora support.
If none of the above methods worked, it might be time to contact Pandora's customer support. Provide them with as much information about the problem as possible, and they'll guide you through additional troubleshooting steps or rectify the problem if it's on their end. That's all for today's video. We hope these steps have helped you solve the problem of not being able to delete songs from your Pandora playlist. Remember, keeping your app updated and periodically clearing cache can help prevent many common app glitches. If problems persist, don't hesitate to contact Pandora's customer support. Thanks for watching, and happy listening.